You know, guys, I love this place. Me too. I like to live here. Oh yes. Oh my. View. Isn't it beautiful? Come on, let's go to the playground. Come on. I'm so funny, you know that? Yeah. I know. The ducks are noisy, guys, not you. What are you planning to do there, model Orca? Just like shaking off the ground, guys. It's weird. Can't feel it. We're just too having fun. Really? I just felt something. Can feel it, you guys.
What is an earthquake?
Earthquakes are the vibrations caused by rocks breaking under stress. The underground surface along which the rock breaks and moves is called a fault plane. An earthquake is also known as a quake, tremor, or temblor. It is the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are measured using observations from seismometers. The amplitude of the shaking caused by an earthquake depends on many factors, such as the magnitude, distance from the epicenter, depth of focus, topography, and the local ground conditions. What is an aftershock? An aftershock is a smaller earthquake that occurs after a previous large earthquake in the same area of the main shock. If an aftershock is larger than the main shock, the aftershock is redesignated as the main shock, and the original main shock is redesignated as a foreshock. Aftershocks are formed as the crust around the displaced fault plane adjusts to the effect of the main shock.
What is a fault?
A fault is a crack in a rock along which a slippage has occurred. If there's no movement, the crack is called a joint. Most faults are small, even microscopic. Only the large ones get names, like the San Andreas Fault.
What is focus?
The focus, also termed as hypocenter, is the point in the Earth where the earthquake, rupture, or fault movement actually occurred.
What is epicenter?
The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface that is directly above the hypocenter or focus, the point where an earthquake or underground explosion originates.
What is intensity?
The intensity is a number written as a Roman numeral describing the severity of an earthquake in the terms of its effects on the Earth's surface and on humans and their structures.